In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Power BI. Here in our web browser, let's type in Power BI Desktop Download. And here in the Microsoft site, let's click on this. And here we have Power BI Desktop. And we can click Download. Great, now that we have our download file, let's click on it, open it. And the wizard takes us through the installation process. Now we click on Next. And here we have the option to create a desktop shortcut or not. I'm going to choose to skip this. And install. Great, now that we've installed Power BI, let's launch it. Great, now that we've installed it, Options, and then here under the global section where it says data load, I always like to have time intelligence turned off. The reason I like to have this turned off always is because it reduces the size of the Power BI file. And conversely, when we have this turned on, Power BI creates extra tables in the background. So it makes the Power BI file larger. So I'm going to make sure this is turned off. The other setting I like to have is under the current file and then data load tab. And under relationships where it says auto detect new relationships after data is loaded, I like to have that turned off. The reason I turn that off is because when I have multiple tables loaded in Power BI, I want to fully control the relationship between those tables and how I connect them. And then conversely, when we have this check marked, and we have multiple tables that we load in Power BI, Power BI tries to help us in making those relationships between the tables. And sometimes it gets it right, and sometimes it does not. So instead of me wasting time and trying to figure out if Power BI created the right relationships between the tables, I simply like to have this turned off and have full control over the relationships myself. We click OK. And now we're ready to start using Power BI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.